Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning and wishing you all a very happy Independence Day, right? So I'll answer about a very familiar question that I have been getting in many of the videos. And the question is, should we learn Playwright with Java or should I learn TypeScript? Now, we all know that Playwright is becoming a very important tool in the ecosystem of not only just the QA, it's also becoming an important tool from the AI agents perspective, right? So many people do ask me the question that I have already learned Selenium with Java. Should I learn Playwright with Java or should I learn with TypeScript, right? Why should I learn a new programming language when I already know the Java? So this is a very valid question, right? So in this video, I'm going to explain you why I recommend learning Playwright with TypeScript instead of Java for most of the people who are starting with the Playwright, right? And don't worry, I'm not going to tell you that Java is useless. No, Java is still a very powerful language and is widely used in the enterprise automation, right? So when it comes to Playwright, TypeScript becomes and it comes up with the very important advantages. Okay, so there are specific reasons behind that, and I'll explain all of the reason with you. Okay, but the very important reason, the first reason that is very important out of all these things is about the TypeScript. It gives you safety, right? So what is type safety that we will understand, but before that, let me share my screen and let me also tell you about a free webinar that we are going to do on 22nd of August. So this is a free webinar in which we will be telling you about how to build AI agents, how to use AI agents, how QA engineers are using agentic AI plus Playwright to get better jobs in 2026. This is very important. In 2026, if you don't leverage AI, if you don't learn AI, if you don't understand what is LLM, if you don't understand what is MCP, if you don't understand what are agents, what are autonomous agents, then it would be very difficult for you, right? And you have to use AI. You have to see AI not as a competitor, but you have to see AI as somebody who can help you to get the work done with the less turnaround of time, right? So that's why companies are preferring going for agents because these agents will help you to get the work done sooner, right? Now, let me give you the reasons also. So let me share my screen. So now you will be able to see the screen, right? This is the top-notch advantage, okay, for learning Playwright with TypeScript, okay? See, most of the applications, most of the modern-based applications, they are using TypeScript, they are using JavaScript, they are using Node.js, right? So if you been a part of the testing team and as a tester you have to get a good understanding of the application, you have to get a good understanding of the product, the backend and the front end, not just the uh, flow of the application, right? So understanding JavaScript or TypeScript, it will give you an additional advantage, right? You're not learning a testing language, you're getting closer to the technology behind the applications you are testing, right? And let's say if there are any problems, so as an automation tester, what do you do? Or as a tester, what do? You have to debug these things, you have to identify the root cause and you have to find out where did it went wrong. So that's something that will get you an added advantage when you learn TypeScript, right? And there are some of the topics in the TypeScript, for example, async, await, promises, right? Callbacks, functions, objects, arrays. These all are very important uh, from the conceptual, from the automation point of view as well, right? Now, let me tell you one more reason. why Playwright with TypeScript should be your priority. Okay, so if you are watching this video and you're having 3+ years, 4+years, 5+years of experience, right? Company don't just expect you to write these things, right? They expect you to design the frameworks. In the interviews also, you would see that they're expecting you to write fixtures. They're expecting you to handle the authentication. They're expecting you to do the conceptual understanding with the solid implementation. Oops, things, right? Reporting, parallel execution, CI/CD, configuration management, authentication handling. So many things are there, right? So TypeScript is very well suited for creating this kind of technical stuff that are required for the automation testers, right? And last but not the least, I'll tell you now the truth, right? That I'm going to tell you is I'll search on LinkedIn before you only about Playwright, okay? And we will see the job opportunities with the Playwright and of course with the language that they are looking for. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so as you can see in the Nagano company, they are looking for staff engineer, Playwright with TypeScript, right? See, then this remote job is also there, Playwright test engineer. Okay, here also they are looking for QA automation Playwright. See, this is completely remote job, right? And they're expecting you to do Playwright automation, right? So the job opportunities with Playwright is increasing. And see this job opportunity, Playwright automation test engineer plus AI. So here they are expecting you to know to do the Playwright as well as you do hands-on experience on AI as well, right? So you can see 2 years of hands-on experience, strong proficiency in TypeScript or JavaScript. So any job you take, right, majority of the jobs are expecting you to do coding in TypeScript or JavaScript language. Now, JavaScript, I can totally understand that's a bit of a complex language. It's a developer's language. At least learn TypeScript, right? There's nothing harm in getting those low-hanging fruits, right? It will help you to build your career. It will help you to get the calls. What is important for you in 2026 is to get the call and to get placed in a good company. So if you're looking for a switch, or if you're looking for a job after a gap, or if you're looking to switch from non-IT to IT, right? You should get hands-on experience on Playwright with TypeScript because these are the things that will be beneficial for you in the long run. These are the things that will help you to get more calls, right? So learn this Playwright with scripting languages that will be very much beneficial for you. And don't forget to attend a free live webinar, which we are going to do on 22nd of August. The timings would be 11 a.m. IST to 12 noon. Let us know if anything else is required from our side. We are also going to share with you the bonus resources that will help you to get the interview questions and answers, right? So bonus resources will be shared with you. A WhatsApp group link will be shared with you. The community link will be shared with you. You can join that community and you can enroll, right? So this is a very good opportunity to get the things in free of cost, no charges at all, no hidden money, nothing. So you can enroll for this particular webinar. See you on Saturday, 22nd of August. Right? That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.